Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're gonna do a video now with the wireless CarPlay adapter CPAA, wireless Android Auto adapter. So it's a 2-in-1 for CarPlay and Android Auto and a Hyundai Tucson Highlander 2022. Very simple, plug and play in the USB port and wait a few seconds until the device is recognized by your car radio. The device has been recognized as a CarPlay, but it will give you Android Auto functionality as well. So this is also great for cars only with CarPlay, no Android Auto. It's gonna work with both. And you just take your CarPlay and put it in here, and if you want to change to Android Auto, and it's now up and running, working. Wireless CarPlay, wireless CarPlay in your Hyundai Tucson Highlander. Plug and play, maps, everything there for you. As you can see, very easy navigation, very smooth, no lag. It's a great solution. So if you find more about products for your Hyundai, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.